Welcome to the Lawrence plant. We're excited to show you what we do here. We're known as the Country Club, and Kibbles and Bits is what we make.
We ask everybody, just come as you are. You know, be yourself at work. We're gonna have fun.
You build relationships with people here, your fellow coworkers and stuff, and you know, hang out after work.
We spend more time here at work than we do with our family some days, and you have to enjoy who you're working with. And I truly enjoy who I work with. I look forward to seeing them.
We're known as the Country Club because of our kind of just togetherness.
We all make sure that we have an enjoyable time when we're working here. It can get stressful, but at the same time, we make sure that we have fun.
I really like Post's culture. Everyone comes in to work with a good attitude.
Kibbles and Bits has been around since about 1982. A lot of different companies have kind of bought and sold this plant, but it feels like Post is excited about Kibbles and Bits. So everybody from top to bottom in the plant's excited about that.
I'm just excited with the people we're bringing in, the minds that can help us just better function as a plant.
Feel great about the future. Feel great about Kibbles and Bits. Feel great about the Lawrence plant.
I think it's very motivating with an acquisition because we have new faces and new goals. But at the root of it is we're making dog food. How cool is it that we make dog food?